Want to create a viral TikTok channel? Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Understand your audience. Know who you're targeting to create content that truly resonates. Step 2. Content is key. Focus on high quality, engaging and original content. Whether it's funny, informative or inspiring, make it memorable. Step 3. Stay on top of trends. Keep up with popular songs, challenges and hashtags. But remember, add your unique twist. Step 4. Consistency matters. Post regularly and keep a consistent theme. Build a loyal following with your unique style. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and participate in challenges. Your audience loves interaction. Step 6. Hashtag strategy. Use relevant and trending hashtags to boost your video's discoverability. Step 7. Leverage analytics. Understand what works for your channel using TikTok's analytics. Step 8. Optimize your profile. A catchy username, attractive profile picture, and clear bio are essential. Step 9. Cross-promote. Share your TikTok content on other social platforms to widen your reach. Step 10. Be authentic. Show your true self. Authenticity builds a deeper connection with your audience. Step 11. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new ideas. Sometimes the most unexpected content goes viral. Step 12. Understand the algorithm. Create content that encourages engagement to get favored by TikTok's algorithm. Remember, patience and persistence are key. You might just be one post away from going viral on TikTok. Stay creative and happy TikToking.